Hi, my name is Dr. Jen Anaker. Welcome back to our videos. I'm the owner of Anaker Clinics of Chiropractic. We really take it to heart to give you good quality content of topics and information you can take home into your daily lives as well as share with others. Today's topic is about inflammation, and this is a conversation that I have a lot about patients as they come in, they're healing, maybe they're more acute or they're more on the wellness level, that obviously what you eat determines, how your body can heal. So inflammation on a level of food is a big topic. So even if we go back and think about inflammation, it's pretty easy to think about it external or more outside of your body. If something's inflamed in your body, whether it be like if you twisted your ankle or something swollen, that you're going to see some redness, maybe some point tenderness, some even, it might be a little warmer or hotter in that area. Well, if you can think about that on the outside, really the inflammation processes on the inside is a similar thought process where things are having a harder time healing, there's more going on, it's more inflamed or, I'll say more swollen in those areas, and so the body's just not functioning how it should. So to go back within the inflammatory process, food can create inflammation in our bodies. I'm going to give you certain things to think about in a general sense. Certainly, patients themselves may have certain allergies or food intolerances, and those things which may be specific to you would also create inflammation in your body. So as far as foods that are more inflammatory to think about, I should say this about inflammatory foods, just to kind of take it, from 1 to 2 to 3, that inflammatory process, if your body is, I'll say, stuck in that inflammatory process, after a period of time it begins to have a tipping point. And that's traditionally, an inflammatory process will start first, and that's where we may see some health problems start to arise. Whether it's challenges with diabetes, weight gain, heart issues, PCOS, and others. So yes to those diagnosis and diseases, but certainly as a whole, again, on a wellness level, we want to think about this topic, and what we're putting into our body is either taking us a step towards or away from health. So inflammatory foods. Here are some things to think about reducing to eliminating. Number 1 is sugar. Sugar is super inflammatory. Certainly we can look at that into the holidays, how we can see how that plays out. You've got, Halloween or sugar holiday, followed by Thanksgiving with pie, followed by Christmas with all kind of sweet treats. So we can see what that oftentimes does to our body as far as challenges immune system there. But it creates a lot of inflammation in our body. And sugar's in a lot of stuff. It's not just, oh, I had baked goods that had sugar in it. It's your ketchup, it's your barbecue sauce, your dressings. So look at those types of things as well. Number 2 is oils. Certain types of oils are inflammatory. They're your sunflower, safflower, corn, cottonseed. Not only to what you might add into a baked good that you're making, but think about looking and reading some of the labels. You're going to find a lot of the boxed candies and treats and crackers have these types of oils in them. Next is trans fats, which certainly has been a conversation over the years. Again, looking at things like margarine, fast food, fried foods, baked goods, vegetable oils, all those are trans fats, again, which creates that inflammatory process. Dairy also increases inflammation. I know this is a tricky one for us. Certainly some people are intolerant of it, but really watch to reduce to eliminate. And I would say, watch when you have more challenges going on in your life. If you have more stress, if you're not feeling well, that's a time to really take out dairy. Feedlot meats, or more meat that is not grass-fed, grass-finished. When you're talking about feedlot meat, that they are going to be adding in corn and soy, which are inflammatory, also certainly hormones and antibiotics. I get that maybe everything, not everybody can afford grass-fed and organic, but certainly start to watch what you're putting into your diet as far as these things, and make alternative choices if you can. Alcohol also causes inflammation. Refined grains, so whether it be white rice, flours, pastas, breads, etc. And then any food additives, if it's aspartame, MSG, you can Google a list of those things, and again, just start reading labels and be mindful of what's, what you're buying, but also what's in your pantry as well. So opposite of that, let's dive into foods that would help with inflammation, or they're anti-inflammation. The first one is wild salmon, and so certainly, again, wild is the key word. You don't want farm raised, because again, they're going to get where they're fed soy, and that's going to be more inflammatory. So wild salmon, and it also, side note, gives you a lot of omegas, which helps to fight that other level of inflammation. omega-3s as well. Kelp can be really great for you as far as some of the health benefits is that it helps to control liver and lung cancer, anti-tumor, antioxidant, so kelp can be a great source. On the healthy oil side, we've got extra virgin olive oil, helps with arthritis, asthma, protects also the heart and the blood vessels. So just, again, the more healthy your body is, the less of these symptoms and diseases you'll have. Cruciferous vegetables, so your broccoli, your Brussels sprouts, kale, cauliflower, I think I've got them all, yes. So I'm sure there's more, but those are the ones that I had listed, and they help to detox your body, again, keeping that inflammation down. Blueberries are great. You know, again, I'm always having these conversations with patients about, you know, what to buy organic or not. Berries is one of those. It's harder with the level of pesticides to take that are put onto berries. They're thinner skin. So this is one that I would really key in on as far as buying organic. And blueberries are great for brain protection, so help to reduce with dementia, aging, and also cancers as well. So blueberries are fantastic to put into your diet. And then we've got some herbs or some added things such as turmeric. Patients do really well with adding in turmeric and bringing down inflammation. Ginger helps to decrease the inflammation, also helps to control with blood sugar. And then the last one is one of my favorites, garlic. You can't go wrong with adding more garlic in. Decreases inflammation, helps to regulate your blood sugars, fight infection, it's antiviral, microbial, so, you know, another great herb or thing to add into your food. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, certainly just take a look at what you're eating, what you're buying in the grocery store, what your pantry looks like. You know, nobody's perfect, what's a treat versus what's not, but certainly make, you know, 80-20, 90-10, get as clean as you can to help your body to heal and repair. I hope you found this video helpful.